Hi viewers, this is Tyagarajan, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE from Perry Institute of Technology. Today, let us see the topic neutralization technique. What is neutralization technique and where it is used? As we know, tuned amplifier suffers from a problem of instability and why it is caused in a tuned amplifier. In a tuned amplifier, the input is applied to the base and the output is taken across the collector. And we know there is a junction between this base and collector, and this junction may lead to a capacitive effect called interjunction capacitance. This interjunction capacitance causes instability by providing a feedback between the output and input. Hence, the tuned amplifier leads to an oscillation instead of functioning as an amplifier, and this provides instability to a tuned amplifier. In order to avoid this instability in a tuned amplifier, neutralization technique is used. And what is this neutralization technique? It is nothing but that interjunction capacitance which causes instability is cancelled or nullified with the help of a neutralizing capacitance which has same magnitude and opposite phase. Hence, the interjunction capacitance effect is cancelled or nullified with the help of neutralizing capacitance. This is the neutralization process or neutralization technique. Now, let us discuss the neutralization technique with the circuit. As I told earlier, what is neutralization technique? As the definition goes, the effect of collector to base capacitance of the transistor is neutralized by introducing a signal that cancels the signal coupled through collector base capacitance, and this process is called neutralization. As I told earlier, this collector to base capacitance effect is cancelled by applying a equal magnitude signal with opposite polarity. This process is called neutralization. And as I told earlier, instability of tuned amplifiers. As we know, any tuned amplifier is made to operate in the frequencies nearer to their unity gain bandwidth in order to amplify the narrow band of high frequencies. At this RF frequencies, intercapacitance between base and collector becomes dominant. As we know, frequency always depends on the capacitance and inductive effect. So, at RF frequencies, the capacitance between base and collector becomes dominant, and this leads to some feedback signal which reaches from output to input and causes unstable and generates the oscillation which can stop working as an amplifier. This is the instability of tuned amplifier, and this is overcome by the neutralization technique. Now let us see what are the various types of neutralization technique. Generally, there are three basic methods: Hazeltine neutralization, Neutrodyne neutralization, and neutralization using coil. There are some other methods like Rice neutralization technique and some other, and it goes on. Now let us see the basic three neutralization technique. Now let us start with Hazeltine neutralization technique. This is the basic tuned amplifier circuit with Hazeltine neutralization technique. In this circuit, there is a capacitance CBC, which is nothing but base to collector capacitance, and it is indicated in dotted line because it is not practically available in the circuit, but it couples the output signal to the input and provides a feedback signal which leads to instability. Now, this collector to base capacitance is cancelled or nullified with the help of neutralizing capacitance denoted by Cn, which is variable because the feedback signal provided by CBC may be subjected to variable. Hence, variable capacitance is incorporated to the circuit in order to tune that to the same magnitude with opposite polarity of the signal provided by the CBC. Hence, both the signal gets cancelled at the base. Hence, there will be no feedback signal from the output to the input. Hence, the tuned amplifier is maintained to be stable and provides amplifier and provides as an and works as an amplifier instead of going to an oscillation. Thus, the stability of the tuned amplifier is maintained using Hazeltine neutralization technique. Now, let us see what is Neutrodyne neutralization technique. The Neutrodyne circuit functions in the same manner as that of the Hazeltine neutralization technique, with only the advantage that the neutralizing capacitor does not have the supply voltage across it. Now, let us see the Neutrodyne neutralization technique. This circuit is similar to that of the Hazeltine neutralization technique. The only difference is that neutralizing capacitance Cn is connected to the secondary winding of the next stage tuned amplifier circuit instead of the power supply VCC. Now let we compare it with the Hazeltine technique. Here the neutralization capacitance is connected to the primary winding, which is subjected to the power supply VCC. This is Hazeltine technique. Whereas here the neutralizing capacitance is connected to the secondary, so that the power supply voltage, that is VCC, will not have an effect to this Cm. Hence, it provides more stability when compared to the Hazeltine technique. That is the difference between Hazeltine and Neutrodyne neutralization technique. The remaining processes are similar to that of Hazeltine. The effect of CBC is nullified with the help of the Cm, that is neutralization capacitance. Now, let us see neutralization using coil. It is a modified version of that Hazeltine and Neutrodyne technique. Here, the interjunction capacitance effect CBC is nullified with the help of the neutralization capacitance, and it also provides stability to the other stage tuned amplifier, since this neutralization capacitance is connected to the secondary winding. In addition to that, it is connected to a inductance L as shown here, which is connected 90° to that of the secondary winding, which provides more stability to the second stage tuned amplifier. This is neutralization using coil, but practically it is not used because having more inductance provides the circuit bulkier and costlier. So, it provides more stability, but it is not practically used. This is about the neutralization technique. Thank you.